In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Tradestation simulated account. If you've been practicing trades and want a clean slate with a fresh balance, a reset is the quickest way to start over. This process only affects your simulated environment. It won't touch any live trading accounts, so it's a safe way to recalibrate and keep your practice focused. Start by opening the Tradestation desktop platform and logging into your account as you normally would. Make sure you're working in the desktop app since the menus will use live there. Once you're in, look at the top menu bar and click File. In most versions, you'll see an option labeled Manage Simulated Accounts. In some builds, this may appear as Edit Simulated Accounts. Either one is fine. Select the item you see. The Manage Your Simulated Trading Accounts page will open in a separate window. This is where you control your practice account settings. On this page, choose the option that says Reset my simulated trading accounts. Selecting this tells Tradestation you want to clear your simulated environment and re-establish your cash and buying power at a new level. Next, select the amount you want your simulated account to reset to from the drop-down. Pick a balance that matches the size you plan to practice with so your results feel realistic. Whether that's a smaller amount for tighter risk or a larger figure to mirror a funded account, choose what best supports your training. Below that, you'll see a list of your simulated accounts. Check the box next to each simulated account you want to reset. If you have multiple practice accounts, double-check that you're selecting only the ones you intend to change. When you're ready, click Submit. Tradestation will process the request and display a confirmation message indicating that your accounts were updated successfully. That confirmation is your cue that the reset went through. To see the changes reflected on your screens, log out of the platform and then log back into simulated trading in the Tradestation desktop app. This quick reconnect refreshes your environment so the updated balance appears and any simulated positions are cleared. After you sign back in, your account should show the new starting amount you chose with a clean slate for testing strategies. And that's it. You've reset your Tradestation simulated account, restored your balance to the amount you selected, and cleared previous practice activity so you can begin fresh. Use this reset anytime you want to re-baseline your testing and keep your practice organized and consistent.